Let's see how we can use the Corpus Quran website to learn Arabic. This is a website that gives you access to the linguistic resources of the Quran and helps you dive deep into Quranic grammar. In the word-by-word section, you can select any chapter and verse of the Quran and find details of a word in that verse. Then you can go to the dependency graph to see the detailed syntactic tree bank of the word and verse, which is known as tarkib in Arabic. Now go back to the previous page and go to the concordance list of the selected word. It will show you how many times the word has been used and the exact places where the word has been used. Again, go back to the previous page and go to the Quran dictionary for the selected word. It will show you how many times the word has been used as different parts of speech in different places of the Quran. Now, go to the search bar at the top of the website. Here you can search for any word in English or in Arabic and see the details of the word by going to different sections of the website. In the frequency subsection of the Quran dictionary section, categorizes each word of the Quran based on frequency of usage, root letters, and many more. It has statistical data of the words and provides detailed linguistic information of each word. The Corpus Quran website provides a word-by-word analysis or tahqiq and syntactic tree bank or tarkib features for the Holy Quran. The word-by-word analysis feature displays the Arabic grammar, syntax, and morphology for each word in the Quran. You can click on any Arabic word to see its details. So, go to the website and explore more.